Hello and welcome to the home security system. Please state your name.
Peter McCabe.
Peter McQuaid?
No, McCabe.
This plumber is about to have a heated conversation with a doorbell. Little does he know it's more man than machine.
Peter McCabe.
Name not recognized. Please place your retina on the sensor.
What?
Your retina on the sensor.
Seems like he's getting frustrated.
Your retina. Your eyeball.
Right, yeah. That's an eyeball.
Eye colour not recognized.
Does nobody have blue eyes in this country?
Says red.
Red? I know we had a few drinks last night, but this is
Red eye.
ridiculous. Come
Please
on.
place your other eye on retina system.
How long do you think he is going to stand there for?
Eye closed.
It's not bloody... Look, I just need to get in the house. I've got some work to do.
Please name the person of the household.
Mrs. Smith? Jones? I don't know.
Peter tells us, I just wanted to do my job and be on my way, but that doorbell has a screw loose. I swear it was messing with me on purpose.
What kind of work?
I'm fixing a toilet.
You're in her toilet? Command not.
No,
Please state again.
fixing toilet.
You need the toilet.
No. Oh, well, I do if this carries on for much. I'm fixing.
Please state your purpose.
I've never heard a doorbell stutter.
Can somebody let me in, for Christ's sake?
I'm afraid I cannot do that command. Would you like to connect to the householder?
Yes, yeah, actually, I would, yeah. Hello?
Hello, who's this?
Right, I've come here to fix the toilet.
I don't need some toilet fixing. Don't know who you are.
Is Jade in? She's the one that called me.
Who?
Jade.
Jade? That's
Jade.
my ex-wife, mate. She's not lived here for 4 months. She ran off with a milkman.
Well, she called me about 2 weeks ago to fix the toilet.
I don't think so, mate. I think you're talking crap.
Listen, it's all booked in.
Literally crap.
Listen, this job's been booked in. I don't want to lose any work because of something weird going on with your doorbell.
I can't trust Jade, mate. She's flaky. Anyway, I've got to go.
Oh.
I'm in the middle of something.
Look, I'm going to lose a day's work here.
You are now reconnected
Oh,
to the home
no.
security system. How may I help?
Contact Jade.
I'm afraid Jade moved out 4 months ago.
Oh, what a surprise.
That was pretty funny, right? What do you think? Tell us in the comments. And did you know that the electric doorbell was invented back in 1831? Thanks for watching VTrend. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos like this.